Hi, this is Shahriar Kabir from Clean Code. Today I'll show you how you can add a new level at the top right corner of your product card. Like you see at the bottom left is a sale tag or level. Similarly, we'll add a new level which are added recently in your store, like maybe 7 days or 30 days old, like that. So let me show you how you can do it. To do it, actually we are going to follow this tutorial. I will share this blog tutorial link in the down description section, so you can easily copy the necessary code from here. So this tutorial has two parts. First part is we need to modify the card product liquid file and add this code section in the div container with class card media. Okay, so let's go back to themes, then edit code, then under snippets card product. Okay, and here this is the card media class, so inside is here. Okay, we are going to paste here and then format. Let's recheck. Yes, everything is fine. Basically my this store is created last week, so all of the products technically less than 30 years old. I just created this snow beer product today. So to show the code work, we need to make it less than 30 days. For example, I will use 3 days here. So all the products which are 3 days old or less, they should have the new level. Save. Then the second part, base.css. Yeah, okay, copy this and now go to the asset, then base, and we will go to the bottom of this file, very bottom. Okay, now paste it. Okay, save. Okay, now this product should have the new tag, not the others, because all the products I think 7 or 8 days old. So only this product is 1 day old. So refresh it. Yeah, you see this is the new level here. So yes, this is how you can add a new tag or level in your Shopify store. Let me know if it is helpful for you or you need any other video tutorials from me. Thank you.